All right, what's going on, guys? And today we're going to be installing some decals on the F-150 Tremor. We're going to be doing the tailgate as well as two other decals. So let's go ahead and get started. I've already prepped the surface, so I've diluted some rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol and water down to about 70% alcohol. And I've already stripped all the wax and any other cleaners off of the paint. Now we just got to heat up the decals and apply them. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we decided to go with the Tremor orange just to match the other Tremor accents. We picked these up off of Amazon, and I'll have links in the description to all the decals that we've installed. But I think it'll really make all the other Tremor accents pop. So it should look pretty cool. Heck yeah. This is gonna be the hardest one. Wow, it does change the looks of it a lot. Yeah. That actually looks really sweet.
It definitely brings your attention to the truck.
Yeah. All right, so the F-150 decals, as well as the other ones that we're putting on, are actually an official licensed product by Ford, but the manufacturer is Tufskinz. So like I said, you can get these on Amazon, and they match the truck. It really brings out the Tremor accents on the truck. So I'm gonna try and do a smooth walk around just so you can kind of see what it looks like in person. I like that one too. I think these two might be my two new favorite.
Yeah, oh yeah, they are my favorite.
Yeah. All right, and here's the final product of all the decals that we installed. We got the tailgate decal. I think that one's the most noticeable by far, but it also makes the other ones stick out more. We put on the running board decals. And then we got to rep the 5.0 V8, since we got the 5-liter V8 in our F-150 Tremor. I'm still really happy with that. It makes the orange on the grill and the tow hooks pop out more. And we also did on the door sills here. It says people are dragging their feet in. And those have been pretty nice so far. We did the back too. We did the full kit. We did purchase these decals with our own money, but I will link affiliate links to their products in the description below. But I think they look pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think, which ones you guys think are cool, or which one you guys think might be a little too much. But I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.